time for some DIY. We just wanted to share a quick fix on this TroyBilt pressure washer. This is powered by a 500 series Briggs Stratton, a 2200 maximum PSI pump and 2.2 maximum gallons per minute output. The plastic water inlet coupling on the pump housing just cracked, and we couldn't find the part locally or online for that matter. Not sure if we wanted to replace it with the original cheap part anyway, and we had our project scheduled to pressure clean our sidewalk today, so we had to get creative to make this work. We decided to take the plastic pipe off the pump housing and shave off the flange at the end to be able to insert a short hose held by a simple hose clamp. Because the hose is slightly smaller, we shaved as much as possible off the plastic pipe. And to be able to insert the hose with ease, we heated the hose with hot water. This will soften it and make it expand as we insert it on the pipe. As you're inserting it in the hose, just keep running water on it. It will keep expanding as the pipe puts more pressure in it. We tighten the hose clamp.
Okay.
And before reinstalling it into the pump housing, we make sure the thread collar O-ring is in place and in good condition. We reinstalled the pipe in the pump housing. And it's all good to go. Checking for leaks and it looks dry. I think we will take our time looking for some threaded pipe and hose fitting to make this a permanent repair. I hope this helps someone in a jam out there, and you all have a great day.